how to create a pencil drawing in Photoshop. First thing you're going to do is pull in the picture of yourself from Photo Booth. So you can search your computer for Photo Booth, pull it up. When you have it there, you can drag it into Photoshop. Okay, get it here. Okay, now I am going to go ahead and remove the background. I may have to drag down on this bar to see that option. If it says convert to layers, make sure you convert to layers first also. Okay, once I have it here, the next thing I'm going to do is make it black and white for this because we want a pencil drawing. So under adjustments are all your brightness adjustments, your color adjustments. There's also one called hue and saturation, which is this left one. Hue is what color tone it is. Saturation is how much of that color. So if we take saturation all the way to the left, it will make it black and white, basically removing the color. Okay, you can see it is a layer in itself. So if we move that layer under your picture, it'll go back to color, but whatever it's on top of will end up being black and white. Okay, next I'm going to make a duplicate of this layer. So I can right click on it and do duplicate layer. Copy is fine, and now I have two of them. Okay, the one on the top, we are going to go into these options here. We are going to go down to color dodge, okay? And when we click on color dodge, we are going to invert it. So basically, I just want to keep the blacks and the whites. So I'm going to do Command I, and it will appear as if your picture is mostly white. So Command I is the command for inverse. So I press Command I, that's why it goes to white. Okay, next I'm going to come up here to select, filter, blur, and I want a Gaussian blur. A Gaussian blur means I can control the amount of blur on it. So I'm going to come in here and play with this blur level. Excuse me. And you can see how the more blurred it is, the more it kind of looks shaded and realistic, and the less blurred, the more it looks like a pencil drawing. So pick out a setting in here that looks good to you, and then press OK. And then that is your pencil drawing. You can go ahead and take a screenshot, Command-Shift-4, drag around your pencil drawing, and you can turn it in.